Choosing a floor plan isn't just about rooms and walls, it's about how you want to live. Step 1. Stop thinking about square footage. Start thinking about your life. At Shane Homes, we always say your floor plan should match how you actually live, not how you think you're supposed to live. Do you host Sunday dinners? You probably want a kitchen that can handle chaos and still look amazing. Work from home? Don't shove your office in a random corner. Make it intentional. Kids? Think sightlines. You want to see them without hearing them. It's a balance. Step 2. Future-proof it. Are you planning to grow your family? Need space for aging parents? Dreaming about a home gym instead of a formal dining room you'll use twice a year? Choose a layout that flexes with you. And here's the part people love. With our Love It or Customize program, you don't have to settle. If you love a plan, amazing. If it's close but not quite there, we can tweak it. Move walls, rework rooms, adjust layouts. You're not boxed in. You get a home that actually fits your life. The right floor plan doesn't just look good on paper. It makes your everyday easier. And that's how you know you chose the right one.